Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to delete apps activity in Google Gemini AI app. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Google Gemini app. So I'm going to click on here. After you open up the app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon from the top. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Gemini apps activities. Click on that. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on turn off right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then select 3 months or more. Then click on next. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on confirm. Boom, preference save, and all the activities on the app has been drastically deleted. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to delete app activity in Google Gemini app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.